Hello. My name is Maria Oreska and I'm responsible for product development at Infinity. I am really glad you are watching this video in particular because I find associative dropdowns a really nice example of the powerful combination of Qlik and Infinity. Let's get started. What you see on my screen is a simple application that's supposed to be used as invoice approval. So I have the field here to upload the file, some note, but it's not important right now. What I want to add is the option to select supplier type and supplier. So as always in Infinity Forms, I go to form configuration when I need to create a new editable field. So let me create supplier type. Okay, it will be a select box. Naturally, there are some predefined supplier types. And the question is how I defined the values that are available in the drop-down menu for end user. My best practice is to load it into a data island, as you will see in a second. So it's not associated with any other data. When user makes selection, it doesn't have any effect on the values in the drop-down menu. So here I have my table about suppliers. Let me recreate it also here. So it's supplier type and supplier. So how to define options of the supplier type? Those should come from the field from a data model, so it's updated whenever it's updated in the original data storage. So we'll use an expression. To be sure every single type is there only once, I'll add a distinct. And that's it. Let me try it. Importer, manufacturer, services, subcontractor. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's linked to a data model, but that's not the associative dropdown yet. So let me create another select box for suppliers. If I use the same logic as before, I'll define options based on values of supplier DD field. What happened? I select manufacturer, but in supplier select box, I still see the other suppliers, not only those two that are under supplier type manufacturer. So what to do? And we are exactly at the point where Qlik native functionality comes very handy. Let me make it larger so you see it well. Okay, so as a Qlik developer, what I want to say? I want to say show me only supplier linked to the selected value in the field supplier type. That's nothing else than set analysis. So the field I'm interested in is supplier type DD, field from my data model. So that's what is associated by Qlik itself. And I want to use only those suppliers that are linked to selected values in the field supplier type. In other words, I'm referring to user selections in the field supplier type, in this editable field. And in Infinity Forms, you can refer to other editable fields. And the way how it's done is by a special variable that's in a format row dot, and then it's the column name of the field I want to refer to. Was it supplier type? I'm not sure now, sorry. Yeah, supplier type. Okay, so I want to show values separated by semicolon because it's a select box that are linked only to the values in the field supplier type DD selected by end user in the editable field supplier type. Let me try it. When I select manufacturer, I see only Dinosaur and Sumisura. In the other row, when I select services, I see the other suppliers. So that's it. Pretty simple and click native, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you find this useful and you'll use it in your own solutions and applications. And the next Tech Tuesday video is coming soon. Until then, enjoy forms.